The process of filling out a money order with cash.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the process of filling out a money order with cash. Money orders are a secure and widely accepted form of payment that can be used for various transactions. Whether you're sending money to someone or making a payment, knowing how to properly fill out a money order is essential. So let's dive right in and learn the step-by-step process.
Gathering the necessary information.
Before filling out a money order, it's important to gather all the necessary information. This includes the recipient's name, address, and the exact amount you wish to send. Make sure you have the correct details to avoid any issues or delays with your transaction.
Obtaining a money order.
The next step is to obtain a money order. You can usually purchase a money order from various places such as post offices, banks, credit unions, and even some retail stores. Approach the counter or designated area and let the staff know that you would like to purchase a money order. Be prepared to pay the amount in cash, as money orders are typically purchased with cash or sometimes debit cards.
Filling out the money order.
Now, let's move on to filling out the money order. Take out the money order and a pen, and ensure you have a steady surface to write on. Start by writing the recipient's name in the Pay to the Order of, or Payee, field. This should be the name of the person or organization you are sending the money to. Make sure to write the name clearly and legibly to avoid any confusion.
Writing your information.
In the next step, you need to provide your information. Look for the field labeled Purchaser or From on the money order. Write your full name and address in this section. It's important to provide accurate information so that the recipient and any necessary parties can contact you if needed.
Adding a memo or account number, optional.
If you have a specific memo or account number related to your transaction, you can include it in the designated field. This step is usually optional, but it can be helpful in certain situations. For example, if you are paying a bill, including your account number can ensure that the payment is properly credited to your account.
Verifying and detaching the receipt.
Once you have filled out all the required fields, take a moment to double-check the information you provided. Make sure everything is accurate and legible. This is important to avoid any potential issues or complications. After verifying the details, tear off the receipt portion of the money order along the perforated line. Keep the receipt for your records as proof of purchase and for tracking purposes if necessary. And there you have it. Filling out a money order with cash is a straightforward process that involves gathering the necessary information, obtaining a money order, filling it out accurately, and keeping the receipt for your records. By following these simple steps, you can ensure a smooth and secure transaction. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.